All right, good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you're watching this video, I'm gonna show you how to change or add brake fluid to your BMW. It's a 2006 530i. I made a video before on this, but I'm gonna show you how simple it is to do. First, what you wanna do is make sure you purchase some DOT 4. So when I went into AutoZone, you got the DOT 3 and DOT 4. So make sure you get the DOT 4 because you don't want to start mixing 3 and 4 together. Probably start clogging up everything. And also, you want a torque 20, and you need a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. And that's it. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see everything. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in here. The brake fuel you have to put under this air filter. It's under the air filter. But what you wanna do, we're gonna take the torque, and I'm gonna zoom in, and you take this screw out right here, completely out. So I'm making a video so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And you can just follow these steps and pause it if you need it. And don't lose this screw. So take it completely out. So right here is where the filter is at. So you come and take this 13 millimeters, just put it over here and turn it counterclockwise. A quarter of a turn, and that's it. And what you want to do is take this little, I'm gonna put it on, but it snaps right off. What you want to do is take this little clip off, and you can just slide it, and it pops right off. Once you do that, you can just raise this up. It hinges on these little hinges in the back. Just raise it up, and it comes completely out. You can move that to the side. And now what you want to do, you have these 3 right here. You got, that's 13 millimeters. That's 13, everything. So you want to take your 13 millimeters. You turn it counterclockwise. Turn that one all the way counterclockwise until it stops. Counterclockwise. Okay, once you do that, you come over here, this little thing right here, you want to lift up right here and slide to the right. As you can see, make sure you, let me see if I can get in there, lifted it up, and slide it back again. You hear it click into place, and it won't slide out. As you can see, you have to come here and raise this up, slide it to the right, and it come on. Take your 13 millimeter and come right here, turn it counterclockwise. Once you do that, and you can go ahead and take this little piece off right here, and it just comes right out. Slides out. Go ahead and move this little seal out the way. Now you can lift this, and it'll come up about 5 or 10 degrees and slide forward. I'm doing this all myself. I'm showing you how easy it is. Put it to the side, and there you go. There go your brake fluid. Use only DOT 4 brake fluid. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom right there. So you turn it counterclockwise. And it raises up. Take your brake fluid and you pour it in there. Okay, once you capped it off. Don't overfill it like I did, but just get it to where the level is about right there, and put your cap back on clockwise to tighten it up. And that's it. So put everything back on the way you took it off, and you're done. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.